Alright guys, this is News Listener by Angelo and salamat po sa mga manonood at nakita niyo na ba sa news? At sabi dito sa GMA News Online, si Alice Go, nag-go ang mundo kasi yung Manila court undoubtedly Chinese si Alice Go. Tapos yung kanyang mayorship ay Tsuge, 'di ba? Na void na siya. Eh kung kung natatandaan niyo merong, hearing nung last year na pinangunahan ni, Senator Risa Hontiveros at, kasama niya ata si ano, si Win Gatchalian, Senator Win Gatchalian, para, malaman yung mga nangyayari dun sa mga pogo, 'di ba? At, what's, good news about this is that hindi na hindi na magiging, avoid na kayong yung mayorship niya, 'di ba? So good news 'yan sa mga, tunay na Pilipino talaga na, naging, na lumaban dun sa election at, at least ngayon alam naman natin na well, obviously alam naman natin na Chinese siya, 'di ba? Okay, so punta tayo sa baba and it says here, Manila Regional Trial Court, RTC has ruled that dismiss Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Go is undoubtedly Chinese and deem mayorship void. So in page 67, 67 page, Ko Quaranto decision day, date June 27, ang sabi dito, si Go Haping tsaka si Alice Go ay isang tao lamang, 'di ba? Okay. And then during the Senate inquiry, Senator Risa revealed that the National Bureau investigation found that Guaping and Alice Go had the same fingerprints. So na-match nila, which is that was really amazing investigation, 'di ba? So lahat ng detalye nandun. With one, another was denied by dismissed Bamban mayor's legal counsel. I think yung legal counsel niya si ano yung si Topacio ata, hindi ko matandaan, eh. Responded, Guo Ping is undoubtedly Chinese citizen born to Chinese parents, namely Guo Jiangzong and Ling Wenyi. And so, meron silang passport na Chinese. Okay? Yun. Tapos, yung certificate of live birth of Alice Go contains dubious entries. So, may mga may mga bogus yung kanyang live birth. Okay? And court granted quo warranto petition filed by Solicitor General against Go. Okay. So sabi dito, so more information, so nag-arrive siya daw noong July 12, 1999. Tapos na-arrest siya dahil sa several accusation kung di nakalabas siguro kung di nakalabas yung tao doon sa pogo na yun, hindi 'to mangyayari, 'di ba? Tapos, she was also considered kung natatandaan ko meron akong ah, ah, pinanood sa YouTube yung isang Chinese, I think, businessman na naglakad ng isang pogo sa isang bansa. Sinabi niya na si Alice Go ay isang, spiya. Actually, nakalimutan ko na kung, pero anyway, you guys can check that on YouTube, okay? Na sinabi na siya ay isang Chinese at involved sa Pogo, syndicate, 'di ba? So grabe, oh. And as well as kung natatandaan niyo, ah, meron pa siyang kinakaharap na kaso involving, Pogo, 'di ba? And other crimes involving bakit na yung permit nila and all that, 'di ba? Okay, so this is a good news para sa mga lahat ng taong na involved, especially sa mga biktima na nandoon, 'di ba? Sa Pogo Hub na 'yon doon sa Bamban, Tarlac. Okay. Now guys, ito yung pinakamatindi. Alright, papakita ko sa inyo isang another tab at sabi dito, kung natatandaan niyo meron 'tong picture na si Alice Go, tapos si Wesley Go, ay yung kapatid niya daw, tapos si Nicador Faidon, tapos yung si Rodrigo Duterte. So imagine, 'di ba? They were in the same picture. Pinakita 'to ni Senator Risa noon doon sa Senate hearing. At ano kaya ang connection nila, 'di ba? So si Alice Go, meron siyang if I remember, meron siyang helicopter, supercars, 'di ba? Simpleng tao daw, 'di ba? Meron siyang farm. Pero paano siya nakabili ng helicopter, 'di ba? So, ang tindi. So, this is a good news for us and at least, yung gumugulong yung hustisya, 'di ba? So, thank you guys. If you have any comments and suggestion, you can write it down and I'll see you again. Please subscribe and yes, you can like it. Salamat po and I'll see you again. Thank you.